If I tell you something honestly, right now, somewhere in your state, another student is studying, not smarter than you, not more talented than you, not more lucky than you, just more consistent in these last 10 days. And the rank you are dreaming about, that student is quietly working for it. That's the only difference. So forget everything else for the next few minutes and listen carefully. First, let's understand where you should be right now. If your preparation is around 70 to 80% confident in 8-mark and 4-mark questions, and at least 50% clear in 2-mark questions, you are safe. Not perfect, but safe. Even if problems are not fully completed, that's still manageable. AP first year students, especially. If you haven't started 1-mark questions seriously, you must start immediately. Those 1 marks decide whether you stop at 80 or cross 85. Now understand this clearly. IPE is not a surprise exam. It follows blueprint, it follows weightage, it follows pattern. This is not an exam where they randomly pick questions from anywhere. There is structure, and structure is your advantage. So what should you do in the last 10 days? Stop studying everything, start studying smart. Take the last 7 years papers, analyze them, look at what 8-mark questions are repeating. Look at what 4-mark patterns are repeating. See which problem models are repeated again and again. Once you identify that, remove unnecessary topics from your focus. This is not the time to explore. This is the time to filter. Till now, whatever you studied is round 1. Now we enter round 2, sharpening. Final revision before exam will be round 3. 3 rounds are more than enough to score high if executed properly. Now suppose you are someone who hasn't started seriously yet. Then from today, divide your day into 3 blocks. 1 block for languages, 1 block for maths, 1 block for physics or chemistry. Maths must be daily. Physics and chemistry alternate days. You need roughly 8 to 9 focused hours. Yes, you can take breaks. Yes, you can relax for an hour. But endless scrolling, that silently eats your rank. If you want refreshment, go outside, walk, play, meet a friend, but don't disappear into reels. And now, the most important thing, order of preparation. First, finish 8-mark questions. Why? Because they carry weight. When you finish high weightage answers first, confidence increases instantly. Then move to 4-mark, then 2-mark, then problems. After studying any question, close the book and write it from memory. If you can write it twice without seeing, that chapter is yours. Listening feels productive. Writing builds marks. And please stop worrying about paper will be tough. Physics has 14 chapters. 8 marks don't come from all 14. There is pattern. Follow it. Difficulty is not the issue. Lack of writing practice is. Now I want to talk about something important. Beyond marks. Boards are important. By your turn, yes, but boards are not the final destination. Many students focus only till the exam. Smart students think one step ahead. If you are from MPC or PCM background and you're interested in fields like artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, robotics, don't blindly follow the crowd after boards. Just don't choose something because everyone else is choosing it. There is something called NxtWave of Innovation in Advanced Technologies. It focuses specifically on building industry-ready skills in advanced technology areas. They conduct something called the NAT Assessment, which evaluates problem-solving ability and future readiness. I'm mentioning this now not to distract you, but to make you aware. Because planning early always gives advantage. After your exams, if you are serious about tech careers, you can explore it calmly. I'll keep the link in the description and pin it in the comments so you can check it out later. No pressure, just awareness. Students who think ahead always stay ahead. Now, coming back to exam reality, forget rumors about loose centers. There are CCTV cameras, there are flying squads, there are sitting squads. Don't depend on copying, depend on preparation. Your preparation is your only backup. Also understand this, presentation gives free marks, clean headings, underline keywords, proper spacing, neat diagrams. Even average answers look strong when presented well. And finally, mindset. Some people may say you can't score, some may say you don't have that level. Never argue. Increase effort. When someone doubts you, use that as fuel. Work more, practice more, improve more. Let results speak. Talking wastes energy. Working multiplies results. These next 10 days are powerful, extremely powerful. If you execute properly, not emotionally, but logically, 450 plus is realistic. 460 plus is possible, but only if you stop consuming preparation content and start preparing. The student who works harder now wins later. Now decide. Will you execute or scroll?